else and then came in.
Yeah. Well, our neighbors at our place. Oh yeah, nice guy he is. Especially we had to worry about fire so much in the winter.
Here?
Yeah, the beer will be here.
Hey!
Oh.
You get some nice fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Man, this is nice not having to deal with that minus 30 below, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
I know.
kid.
Wow.
Nose hair freeze as soon as you walk out the door.
Shit.
You don't even see your breath.
Yeah, the beer used to even freeze in the neck of the bottle before you even got a sip, huh?
But that was
Whoa! Whoa, Dennis! You okay? Careful now.
That one ignited right in the shoe.
Misfire there.
That one ignited right in the shoe.
That was right in his face.
Yeah, I don't know. That was a misfire. He's right. He's all right. He's right over this stuff.
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Popped right there.
30, 35, 40, 50, 55, 60.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Yeah.
Start falling on my head here, huh?
Yay! Yeah!
That's the way I said, yeah.
You rock! He does. But they're pretty, aren't they?
Careful, don't be shooting them back this way.
Hey, are you playing with matches down there?
Uh-oh, here we go.
Woo! Nice.
University eats your heart out, huh?
Yeah. And it didn't cost no 800,000 or whatever they spent. You know?
Yeah, really.
We'll have to get Dennis lined up.